Got a 2020 Kia Sedona. If you want to check your cabin filter, it's going to be behind your glove box here. First thing you want to do is disconnect the damper for your glove box. All you do is just pull on it, and it'll disconnect like that. Now you have these stoppers here. You just turn these guys counterclockwise, pull them off. Same thing with this side right here. Counterclockwise, pull it off. Now the glove box will just come down.
And if you look in here, you're just going to pinch this and the door will come right off of it. Now this is a 2020 and it has really low miles, so I'm not expecting this to be too dirty. I'm gonna find out if I need to order one of these filters. Looks pretty good. You just pull it right out. If you need to order one, I'll leave a link down in the description box down below for that. I'm not gonna replace it now. Maybe in a couple more oil changes I'll replace this thing. But when you get your new one, you just slide the new one right in. Okay, and then get the door. It goes on the left side first. Looks like that. Pull the glove box up. Go to the damper. Slide it back on, and it'll hold the glove box up for you. Take this guy here, stick it back on, and you're just gonna turn it clockwise. You hear it click. Same thing with this side, and that's pretty much it.